Reading 23, Antarctica. Today, over 6 billion people live on the planet. This means that there are very few places on Earth with no people. One place that has very few people is at the bottom of the Earth. In Antarctica, you will not find anyone who lives there all the time. This is because it is impossible for humans to live there year-round. First, Antarctica is the coldest place on Earth. For example, it can be minus 130 degrees in the winter. Humans cannot live in this kind of environment. Because it is so cold, very few plants or animals live there. This means there are no farms and no places to find wild plants or animals to eat. In order for people to live in Antarctica, food must be sent there on boats, and this is expensive. Another problem is that Antarctica can be dangerous. Many people think that it is safe to travel to Antarctica in the summer months when it is warmer. However, Antarctica is mostly ice, so when it is summer, the ice melts. When the ice melts, the ice can break. So, people cannot travel around Antarctica during the summer. If the ice breaks, they could fall into the water and die. A third serious problem is the sun. Because Antarctica is mostly ice, there are no trees, and therefore there is no shade. Also, the ground is mostly white ice, so the sun bounces off it. The light from the sky and the light from the ground can burn people's skin and hurt their eyes. People must be very careful in this situation. For example, they must wear heavy sunglasses to protect their eyes. They must also cover their hands and faces all the time. Antarctica is a tough place to live.